Okay, it's been a few days and I have some good progress. All 40 maps have been mapped out. As in basically everything in Asia from Japan to Korea to Taiwan to the Philippines, all of Indochina up to Burma and Indonesia. That's the good news. Bad news is that I still have to put the final touches on it. You know, little things like names and pieces and all that stuff. Good part of that is that I can do about 5 per day, so we're looking at about 8 days, and I've already done 5 so far. So give or take a week before I reach the minimum viable product stage. Well, not exactly. In terms of game development, a minimum viable product is usually like a stripped down, bare bones, basically the core loop of the game with a few basic features that you can play. I guess in my case it would be more of a minimum shippable product. Instead of a bare bones proof of concept, this would be more like, okay, this is the basic game I'm comfortable shipping and putting on Steam. For me, that basically involves mapping everything out, doing all the little extra finishing touches on it, gathering the data, a little bit of playtesting to make sure everything works, and then putting the game on Steam. That's the minimum shippable game I can create. It's not the game I want to make, but if I really wanted to rush it, I could probably get it done in like 2 weeks. But since I have time, I think that what I'm going to do is work it out, try to differentiate it from the base game instead of basically making an expanded version of it, and add some new features, maybe put a little different campaign. So that's where I am right now. I can produce the minimum shippable product in 2 weeks, or I could spend a little more time and use the extra time that I have to create the kind of game that I want to make. Even if it's based on the same engine, I do want to make them different. I mean, sure, I could just make Tyrannis 2 with twice as many maps in Asia, but I think I can do more this time around. You know, since I actually know what the hell I'm doing. I do have the time. Well, once I'm done with all the finishing touches on these maps. Only 35 more to go.